What's good, guys? This is Tony from AA Global FX, and today I'm going to be showing you how to log into the MT5 that is on your PC. All right, so we're going to make this a very quick lesson because it is quite simple. So when you've downloaded your MT5, your Metatrader 5, right, it would be on the screen, but this page would not be here. Okay, this screen, this panel will not be here. So what you need to do, you need to come up here, and then when you go in to log into trade account, here you click, right, it's going to give you a login option, right, and delete that. All right, so it's going to give you this panel which says login. So here they will need you to put in your login and your password, the server that you are under. All right, how do we find that? We go back to our Deriv. You can access it from your phone or your PC. Just go here. You basically just go here and then you go to looking for CFD accounts. Go to Traders Hub. Click there. All right. When you're now in Traders Hub, you look for the account that you would have created. You see the account opening video on the link in the description. So continuing, you would see it saying Deriv MT5 here. So what you do, you go to open. So when you're now in open here, it's going to show you your broker, your server, login ID, and password. All right. So what you go and do, you copy your login ID and you would know your password because you are unable to copy it from here. So you need to know your password. And then you need to pay attention to what type of server you are under. Here we're under Deriv server. Okay. So only remember that. Go back to Deriv. When you're in Deriv, you then go and paste your login. You paste it there. All right. And then you come to your password. You put your password. Okay. And you come to server. If it doesn't show Deriv server here, you just click here and they will give you options here from Deriv demo, Deriv server 2. These are the ones that we usually use. So since this is a server, since it says Deriv server, we click Deriv server. Afterwards, we say okay. And then that notifies you and tells you that you are now in. So how do we find the charts that we want to trade when we're on this? So let's say you come in. Let's just remove that. Okay. So how do we find the charts that we want to log into? We basically go to files here. When you scroll down, it will ask you whether you want to open a new chart here. And it will give you different charts from step index to the latest chart that you're using. All right. Then what you do is you go and see what the step index has. You see what the volatility indices have. All right. So let's say I want to trade Boom 1000. I'll select my Boom 1000 and it shows me here. All right. I have my Boom 1000 and I am ready to trade. So if you want more videos on how to customize your layout here, I'll definitely do that. Just comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll do that for you. This is Tony from AA Global FX, and I'll see you later.